Welcome to your daily 3-minute power meditation. Sit comfortably, back straight, pull your energy through your toes, through your ankles, up through your knees, up through your root chakra, through your genitals, up your spine, through your chest, through your arms, out through your throat, into your cheeks and your teeth, up through your eyes, into your frontal lobe, and out your top crown chakra through your toroidal field. And we begin. I am power. I relate to power positively. I accept power. Power is my friend. Power protects me. Power guides me. Power influences me. Power feeds me. Power nourishes me. Power frees me. Power moves me. Power is creative. Power is safe. Power is responsibility. Power is clear. Power is calm. Power is necessary. I see myself as powerful. I am the only one who can control my power. I am always controlling my power. I hold power in every situation. I hold power in my community. I hold power in my work. I hold power in my family. I hold power over my entire life. I am the only one with power over me. My thoughts are power. My opinion is power. My voice is power. My words are power. My actions are power. My behavior is power. My power is influential. My power is inspirational. My power moves energy. My power impacts the world. I am so appreciative of my power. I'm so grateful for my power. I say yes to power. Saying yes to power says yes to me. I allow myself to be seen in any way that shifts others to see and use their own power in themselves. I am power. Namaste.